Lots of bridge has been built in Echo Atlantic City. This is a new bridge that is being constructed, and on today's video I'm here to show you how amazing this bridge looks. Yes, there is no difference between this bridge and the previous one that has been built, but the reason why I'm showing this one is that I was unable to cover the previous 13 bridges that were built in Echo Atlantic City. Since I had the opportunity to witness the construction of this one, then why not share with my amazing viewers and subscribers. This bridge is the reason why the canal, the man-made canal in Echo Atlantic City, was stopped. Yes, it was stopped because they need to build this bridge so the canal could pass under the bridge. And as you can see, the green grass you're seeing at the center of the road is where the canal stopped, and you can see how shallow the water is. And from a proper far view, you could see the bridge is already standing out with buildings very close to it. The US Embassy is very close to this bridge, about 4 blocks away, and also the Echo Atlantic Pearl is very close to it. So this Atlantic Towers is also close to it. So this is the 14th bridge that is being constructed, or rather that will be constructed, because 13th has been completed. And nonetheless, this video I'll be walking around close the construction site and the premises to show you what this bridge look from down, and as you can see. From this angle, you will see how the canal moves straight to the bridge. It is supposed to pass under the bridge, moving ahead to phase 2, 3, and 4 of the Echo Atlantic City. So this bridge is the reason why the canal was stopped right there. And now this bridge is fast under construction because it is needed to complete this section and move ahead. Now you might be asking about the cost, though there is no specific cost for this bridge construction, as all the bridge had their costs put together and the construction kicked off. So that I could not give you information to be very reliable.